Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Menteri Ketenat Kakot Kakia uba Alexander Elhek haga khat sauterik unai wing arjar khat khandai ula play pajba ya ka State Medical Guest House Kabadon ha Health Complex Laimkra Shillong harengkat kejingnya don lang jong MDC jong Malki Laimkra constituency uba Fantin Joseph Lakadong uko chairman jong Meghalaya Health Advisory Board uba James Ban Basaimoit DHS MI Dr. A. War, DHS MCH and FW Dr. L. M. Pada, DHSR Dr. N. Wan Sweat bat kiwe. Uba AL Hek haba keren hakan igasngi ulaong baka State Medical Guest House kan ai jing syakri ya ki doktor ki banabar ke jela ki bawan ai jing syakri hakan ke jela kumjo ya ki nong trei bat ki officer jong ketenat ka kot ka khia jong ke jela kumban sikudau hang ni ya kani ke State Medical Guest House ka badon khat artli ki kamera latei ha ke jinglut ka ba prapuai lak 1,000 nruspa khandai phupra tengka hagani kasngi kala don ru ka review meeting bala peniai da uba AL Hek ha State Convention Center Shillong haga balai don lang ru u secretary jong ketenat ka kot ka khia u Pravin Bakshi bat ki officer jong ketenat ka kot ka khia.
The State Medical Guest House has been completed a long time back, but we could not activate it, we could not commission it because of various needs for use of this building. And with the prodding of our Honorable Minister, wherein there had been many petitions from various quarters, especially from Garo Hills region, that there is a need that this medical guest house be commissioned immediately, and with his guidance and his support, we are able to do it today. And this guest house, as it was meant to be, the first occupants of this guest house last night were the officers from Garo Hills who had reached here last night and they had stayed here. So they were the first one who had already inaugurated the guest house unofficially.
Thanks you to each one of you and all of you who are gathering here today. After the long session we had, the review meeting today in the State Convention Center, we had discussed so many things. And also I really admire to the efforts and the sincerity putting by our staff and particularly the doctors of the Health Department of Meghalaya. So many constraints, so many lacunas, so many difficulties. When we are discussing there's so many things there. This is not available, that is not available. So many things which are facing the challenges. But in spite of managing, I've seen the health department has really done a wonderful job to meet and giving the services to the people of our states. The sincere effort which you have put in to make the health departments, department which is giving the services to keep the people healthy in our states and the citizens of Meghalaya. So I'll take much of our time. I think that many of you like to, have the musical evening. After some time, we'll be having the musical evening, and also I think the DHSMI and also the Health Engineering Wing, they have prepared a special program after the inaugural functions. And I wish all the best to each one of you, and I congratulate to each one of you for making this dream into reality.